Hi friends, we're here with another Bitty Pop Toy Story. Here's a chart in the back. We've opened 4 of these now. Only gotten 2 doubles. I'm hoping for the alien. What are you aiming for? Some good picks on there. They're all really cute.
Probably Forky.
Forky's good. Okay. Oh,
Take 2.
take 2. Okay, it's a new one.
Oh, what'd you get? Is it exciting?
Honestly, it's one of the ones I'm not as interested in. Emperor Zorg, but it's pretty cool
Oh,
looking.
I think that's pretty sick.
It's pretty cute looking. It's much cuter in person
I think that's sick.
than it was, I think, on the package.
Oh,
That's pretty cute. I like it. I'm happy. These have been fun. Boop.